Hey everyone, stay tuned for this video where I show you my glowy skin makeup look. This is a beginner-friendly makeup tutorial for brown and dark skinned girls. Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today's video is a little bit different. It is my birthday. Yay! We are in Napa celebrating my birthday this weekend, and I thought it would be fun to film a makeup tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you have not already, okay? Stay tuned. The key to having glowing skin is skincare, and this year I'm really focusing on healthy, moisturized, hydrated, and glowing skin. Before applying any makeup, I make sure that my skin is clean and moisturized. I start off by filling in my eyebrows. I have a love-hate relationship with my eyebrows, you guys. I love them because they frame my face, but I have a hard time perfecting my eyebrow sculpting game. It's a work in progress. To fill in my eyebrows, I'm using the NYX eyebrow pencil in the color dark brown. Next is primer. I recently found this Burberry primer and I really like the way that it glides on my skin. It's not too greasy or too drying. For my highlight, I use Clinique's Beyond Perfecting Concealer. It's both a foundation and a concealer, so it comes in a really large size, and it lasts for a really long time, which is perfect because restocking on makeup can really start to add up. So this is my favorite foundation of all time and the key to achieving a glowing makeup look. And this is the Bobbi Brown Foundation Stick, and I'm in the color Chestnut. This makeup stick works miracles, you guys. Sometimes I put this on with some mascara and a lip gloss, and I'm ready to go. Since this is not an everyday makeup look and I want to add a little more coverage, I like to spice things up a little by adding my Dior Forever Undercover foundation in the color 70. A little goes a long way with this product. Look at that coverage. Trust me, you get what you pay for with this foundation. I go in with the same Clinique foundation and use this to highlight under my eyes, on the bridge of my nose, my forehead, and my chin. I'm using a smaller beauty blender by Real Techniques to blend it all in. Next up is contour, and I'm using my Fenty Beauty matchsticks in the color Espresso. follow it up with my e.l.f. concealer to add a little more depth, and it's in the color Rich Ebony. To set my highlight, I used the Mercier translucent powder in medium deep. I'm gonna be completely honest with you guys and say that doing my eyeshadow has always been my least favorite part of my makeup routine. However, I recently found an amazing palette and I'm having a lot of fun experimenting with the colors. This is the Too Faced eyeshadow palette in Pumpkin Spice. The colors are so beautiful. They are pigmented and they complement dark skin so well. Doing my makeup is a whole routine, you guys. I drink tea, I listen to a book or a great playlist, and I am in the zone. So while doing this makeup look, I'm currently listening to Mel Robbins on Audible, and her book is called The 5-Second Rule. This book is so life-changing. I love that it incorporates psychology and why people do the things they do. But basically, this book has really pushed me to go for my dreams and not hold back. So the key to doing anything outside of your comfort zone is to count down 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then just go for it. I'm lining my eyelids with the LA Girls eyeliner in the color Black. Eyelashes are next, and I'm using the ColourPop Black on Black Mascara. Okay, so let's glam things up a little bit by adding some eyelashes. I don't remember where I got these lashes, but I do believe that these are the Ardell Professional Lashes, and you can get these eyelashes at your local beauty supply. You can get them from Target, from Walmart, any drugstore. So for my highlight, I'm using the Soft Focus Highlighter from Benefit. I actually got this highlighter in a Sephora birthday gift a few years back, and I'm still using the sample size to this day. This little stick has lasted me so long, you guys, and I still love it to this day. One of my friends told me about this Anastasia of Beverly Hills bronzer, and I really like it so far. I just started using it recently, and so far so good. I can go with or without it, but since I bought it, I'm using it, and it's in the color Mahogany. To top off my glowy skin makeup look, I'm using this Urban Decay Vitamin Infused Complexion Prep Spray. This spray is perfect for the glowy, dewy complexion that you're looking for. I absolutely love it. After lining my lips with Chestnut lip liner by MAC, I go in with my ColourPop lipstick by Clinique, and it's a really natural looking brown color that goes really well with any makeup look. I love this. This is my go-to lipstick. I'm finishing off the look with a lip gloss by MAC in the color Would Rather Lounge. There you have it, folks. This is my glowy skin makeup look. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to comment down below. And if you're not a subscriber already, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.